असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video I am going to solve exercise 2.5 problem number 8. Look at the question. Factorize each of the following, and given here 4 questions. We have to factorize them. Look at the first question. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is the question. We have to factorize that. Okay. Right. To get the solution here. Given question, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square is the question. Okay, right. So this 8a cube we can write 2a whole cube plus b cube b whole cube plus this 12a square b we can write. So look at here. Wait, 3 into 2a square into b plus 6ab square we can write 3 into 2a into b square, b whole square. Okay, this I can write in this manner. Okay, look at here, 2a cube. So if we can write 2a into 2a into 2a, it becomes 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, a into a into a cube. Okay, we get again this term b cube, nothing but again we get here b cube. So 2a square, 3 into 2a whole square into b, nothing but 3 2a into 2a into b. So 3 into 4a square into b, 3 4s are 12, it is a square into b, 12a square b, we get again same term. Okay, right. Similarly this 3 into 2 6 a as it is into b square 6a b square. Okay, we get all the terms same as it is. Okay, that is what I have written like that. Now this is in the form of, so I am going to use here one identity, x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So this is the identity I am going to use here to factorize the given question. So in place of x we have 2a, in place of y we have b. Is it clear? Right. So in place of x we have 2a. Look at here. 2a whole cube, b cube, nothing but y cube, 3 into x, 2a square, y into, here is b, 3 as it is, x in place of x, 2a we have, in place of y square we have b square, nothing but in place of y we have b. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Now we can replace the values. So this is in the form of this, that is why I am going to write 2a plus b whole cube. Is it clear? So we have RHS in this form, that is why I am going to write LHS in this form. Okay. Now the factorization of 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6a b square is nothing but 2a plus b whole cube. Is it clear? Yes. I think you have got the idea about factorization. Right. I am going for second one. right? Second one, nothing but in the first question we are having minus signs in both of these places, okay, right? So it is very easy. So given question is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square it is, okay. This is a question given, right? So this 2a whole cube we can write, sorry, 8a cube we can write 2a whole cube minus b cube we can write as it is b whole cube, okay, minus 12a square b, 3 into 2a into, okay, this we can write 2a whole square into b plus 3 into 2a into b whole square. Is it clear? Any doubt? Yes. So again I am going to use here x minus y whole cube is equals to, we have x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x square 3x y square, we have the formula, okay, right? So I am going to substitute, replace the values here. So we have x is equals to 2a and y is equals to b. So now we have to replace the RHS term here. What is that? We have this, okay. So LHS or compare the terms here. So we get x equals to 2a, y equals to b. So I am writing here 2a minus b whole cube. Now the factorization of 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square is 2a minus b whole cube. This is the answer, okay. Now problem number 3, 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square is the given question, okay. Now we have to factorize this. So I am going to use here x minus y whole cube, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square identity, okay. I am going to use this identity to this. So this one we can write 1 cube. So 1 cube is nothing but again it becomes 1 minus 64a cube. This 64 we can write 4 into 4 into 4, nothing but 4 cube. 4 cube value is 64. That is why we can write this 64 as 4 cube, okay. A cube means nothing but a whole cube. So we can write this 4a whole cube minus 12a. So 12a is nothing but, so here we have x, this is y. So 3 into a value 1 square into 4a. Is it clear? 3 into x square into y, x value we have 1, okay. So I am going to explain again. So 48a square you can write 3 into 1 into 4a whole square we can write. Is it clear? Yes. So this 1 cube as it is, sorry, I am going to write that again. So write the identity here. This is in the form of x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. X is equals to we have 1, y is equals to we have 4a, okay. So replace the values. This is compare these two. We get 1 minus 4a whole cube is the answer. It's nothing but factorization of 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48a square is 1 minus 4a whole cube, or we can write 1 minus 4a whole cube 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a. Okay, no problem. So this is the answer. We can stop here also. Okay, right. Now problem number 4. I'm going to erase this. So problem number 4. What is the question? 8p cube minus 12 by 5 p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. Okay, right. Write down here. 8p cube minus 12 by 5 p square plus 6 by 25p minus 1 by 125. Okay, right. So 8 we can write 2 cube nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 2p whole cube. This is the first term, right. Now we shall search for y term. Okay, so I think 1 by 125 is our y term. 1 by 125 we can write 1 by 5 whole cube. Now this is x, this is y. Okay, so I'm going to use again here x minus 5 whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square formula. Okay, right. So I'm going to convert. Right on here, x is equals to 2p, y is equals to 1 by 5. Let us rewrite this. So 8p cube nothing but 2p whole cube minus 3 into 2p whole square into 1 by 5, 3x square y plus 3 into 2p into 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 whole cube. If you multiply again these terms, you will get again same as it is. Okay, so look at here, 2p whole cube nothing but 8p cube, 3 into 2p square nothing but it becomes 4p square into 3, 12p square by 5 as it is. Okay, plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay, we have done a mistake here. I think here it is b square, so take a square here. Okay, right. So 1 by 25 nothing but 1 by 5 nothing but 1 by 5 whole square is equals to 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 nothing but 1 by 25. So 6p by this is 25. Okay, right. Minus 1 by 5 whole square nothing but whole cube nothing but it becomes 1 by 125. Okay, is it clear? Right. Now I'm going to write here formula x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. This is the formula, or this we can write x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, the y cube term in the last. Okay, now compare these two. We get again x is equals to 2p, y is equals to 1 by 5. Okay, so replace here x minus y whole cube. What is that? X minus y, 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube is the answer. Okay, So the factorization of 8p cube minus 12 by 5 p square plus 6 by 25p minus 125 is what is that? 2p minus 1 by 5 whole cube, or we can write that 2p minus 1 by 5 into 2p minus 1 by 5 into 2p minus 1 by 5. Okay, if you want to stop here, stop there. Okay, no problem. This completes the problem number 8.